Hey everyone, and welcome back. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Lisa. If you like home decor, organization, DIYs, and anything else home related, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell next to it so that you don't miss another video. Alright, we're going to be starting off with this metal ribbon that I've gotten off of Amazon. They have several styles in this type of ribbon, and I will link different options down below. I went ahead and spray painted it with the Rustoleum Bright Coat in the copper finish. I thought it would be more of a rose gold, but it was more copper. I also have this candlestick that I got at the Goodwill that was $2, and I spray painted that as well. And for the top, I will be using a mirror from the Dollar Tree. This was also spray painted, and I removed the mirror portion of it to do that. Now I'm just going to be adding that back in. Now, as a reminder, I'm not putting anything on this. I'm just showing you guys how I put this together. I really love the detail on this, and I love how when it was spray painted, it just looked really nice, but I just didn't like the black that was there originally, so I decided to do that. But I also want to let you guys know, always reinforce the back with either some foam board or something that's going to be more sturdy, because when you set something on it, you don't want the mirror to fall through. I'm also going to use this little plate that I got from eFavorMart. It's the silver plastic dessert plates, to give it even more sturdiness, where I can hot glue my candlestick. And also, do not use hot glue if you're doing this for an event. Use a stronger glue. So to cover everything up, I had this rose gold-ish contact paper that I decided to use, and it was just as bad as the last time I used it. Maybe if I had a more smoother finish, it wouldn't have left as many bubbles, but it left a ton of bubbles. So I don't recommend this paper. I got it at Walmart and it was on sale, and now I know why. I try to reposition it to kind of eliminate some of the bubbles, but it really wasn't that successful. So you can use fabric in this case, and you can definitely hot glue fabric to the bottom. It will stick. I added some hot glue to the silver plastic plate and glued it to the back of the mirror. Once that was centered and I let it dry a little bit, I went ahead and started working on the ribbon. I had already pre-cut the ribbon to know what length I needed, but I needed to work on my edges. So I just needed to bend it a little bit so that it would just give it a nice corner and take the form of the actual mirror. This mirror is 8 by 11, but you can do this using a larger mirror. You will just have to reinforce your base a lot more. You may need to use a couple of candlesticks depending on how large you want to go with your mirror. Next, to attach the ribbon, I am using thumbtacks from the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of like 200 or something for $1. And you just push them into the wood of the frame, and it goes right in like that. This ribbon has little holes where you can put the push pins, which works out really nicely. Next, I just added some hot glue on my candlestick to glue it to the plate. Again, I just want to reinforce, use E6000 and hot glue for your event. Do not just use hot glue. And to do the bottom, I decided to loop around this crystal beading, and all I did was just attach it to the ribbon, because it has a little hoops that are like keychains and that hold on to it very nicely. So you can hoop this as much as you want, and there's my baby right there crying. You can hoop this as much as you want. I just hooped it twice, but you can do as many as you want, and you can also add more crystals. and this is the final result. Again, I'm going for the quick and easy DIYs, considering this is wedding. You want this to be easy. You don't want it to take a bunch of time, because when you're preparing for a wedding, there's a lot to consider. So I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Please sure to share, like, give it a thumbs up, follow me on social media, and all that good jazz. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.